All right, so here's lesson 2 on Venn diagrams. It's going to be short and sweet. Most of the stuff's already been covered in the last lesson, so I'll just show you again how to work these kind of problems. First one's another probability problem. It says probability of A or B is 0.67. So if we think about that, all of this plus all of this, and it says the probability of A and not B is 0.31. So let's fill in these numbers. So A and not B, that's 0.31. So I know for sure that's going to go right here. So we know all of A and all of B together, if we add this and this right here, together it's 0.67. So if I take that 0.67 and subtract out this section here, then that's going to leave me with just B. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. 0.67 minus 0.31. That gives me 0.36. That means probability of B is 0.36. So the Venn diagram is just for actually seeing what you're dealing with. So we have A or B, so we have all of this, or we have all of this together is 0.67. We know this section right here, this chopped off egg section, is 0.31. So if we want just B, all I gotta do is subtract. Okay, out of 50 students, 33 are taking AP Calculus, 14 are taking AP World History, and not Calculus. Fill out the Venn diagram with the information and then determine how many students are not taking either of these classes. Okay, so this is where Venn diagrams really come in handy. You'll see these on the ACT too, so this is good prep for that. Our universal set is 50 students, so we know all together is 50. 33 are taking AP Calculus. So let me label these. I'm gonna put a C for Calc and a W for World History. Okay, 33 are taking AP Calculus. So all this egg shape here is 33. So that includes the intersection part. So I'm gonna stick that right here so I know 33 is all this stuff. 14 are taking World History and not Calculus. Okay, so if I do that right here, 14. So I know 33 here, 14 from this weird chopped off section here. So if I add those together, that's 47 students all together. 33 plus 14. 47. So that's if I add all of calculus, that's 33. Plus this chopped off part is 14. That makes 47 in either calculus or world history. They want the ones that are not taking either class. So if there's 47 students taking either class, and there's 50 total students, that leaves 3 out here in the void of the universal set. So that's my answer, 3. All right. So it's just a little bit of a thinking kind of problem with these. You just gotta see, okay, this is what I got, this is what else I got. How can I combine those to get what I need? Now this one has a triple Venn diagram. You can have as many intersections as sets you have. I mean, it's not limited to 2 or 3, but usually 3, after 3 gets too crowded to actually draw. So you probably won't see any bigger than this. A veterinarian surveys 26 of his patrons. So there's our universal set, 26. 14 have dogs, 10 have cats, 5 have fish. Okay, dogs, cats, and fish. Let's label these things. Dogs, cats, fish. So 14 have dogs. 4 have dogs and cats. Let's read it all first. 3 have dogs and fish. 1 has cat and fish. None have all 3. Okay, let's start with that. So 0 right there. None have all 3 kinds. Then I'm going to fill in these intersections that we know. 4 have dogs and cats. 4. 3 have dogs and fish. 3. And 1 has a cat and a fish. 1. Now that I know these, I have 7 dogs that are shared so far. So we can see how many dogs are over in here. Well, that makes 7. 7 and 7 makes 14. For cats, I have 10. There's 5 there, so there's 5 here. And 5 have fish. There's 4 here, so there's 1 that only has a fish. Okay, so now that I have all these numbers, these are each individual sections. So this weird Pac-Man, Batman kind of shape here is 7. This is 5. So if I add it together, 7 and 7 makes 14 dogs, all in this circle. I don't want to double count these or triple count them. So I'm going to say here's 14, 15, 20, and then 21. So 21 in these 3 circles here. 26 altogether, that makes 5 outside of that set. Maybe they have snakes or something. So I added up all these individual numbers, and I got 21. Let's use a calculator because my arithmetic could be off. 7 plus 4 plus 3, okay, got those. Plus 5 plus 1, okay, got those, plus 1. 21, and then I do 26 minus 21 gives me the 5. So 5 don't have any of those 3 animals. That's the answer, 5. So again, it's just a bunch of filling in the pieces and seeing what you have. It's kind of like a little puzzle. Just put the pieces together. And guys, that's it for the different kinds on this lesson. Next one's gonna be pretty short too. So see you in a minute.